Myself, Dr. Shamsad Ahmed, Department of Chemistry, DAV PG College Siwan. Today I have to discuss entropy change in a mixture of gases. I have already discussed second law of thermodynamics, Carnot cycles. Now I have to discuss entropy change in mixture of gases. For our example, we shall again consider a simple system of two ideal gases, A and B, with a number of moles Na and Nb at a certain constant temperature and pressure in volume of Va and Vb. These two gases are separated by a partition, so they are each situated in their respective volumes. If we now remove the partition, we accept the two gases to randomly diffused and form a homogeneous mixtures as we see in figures above. To calculate the entropy change, let us treat this mixing as to separate gas expansions, one for gas A, another for B. From the statistical definition of entropy, we know that entropy change ds is equal to nRT log V2 by V1 equation 1. Now for each gas, the volume V1 is the initial volume of the gas and V2 is the final volume, which is both the gases combined Va plus Vb. So the two separate gas expansion must be delta S A is equal to NAR log Va plus Vb bata V. Equation 2. Delta S B is equal to NB R log Va plus Vb by Vb. Equation 3. So to find the total entropy change for both these two processes, because they are happening at the same time, we simply add the two at the same time, add the two changes in entropy together. Delta X mixtures is equal to DSA plus DSB is equal to Na R log Va plus Vb by Va plus Nb R log Va plus Vb by Vb. Recalling the ideal gas law, Pv is equal to nRT for n mole of gas, we see that the volume is directly proportional to the number of moles, and since we know the number of moles, we can substitute this for the volume. Delta mixture S is equal to NAR log Na plus Nb by Na plus NBR log Na plus Nb by Nb. Now we recognize that inverse of the term Na plus Nb by Na is the mole fractions may be indicated Xa is equal to Na plus Na by Na plus Nb, and taking the inverse of these two terms in above equations, delta mixture S is equal to minus Na R log Na by Na plus Nb minus Nb R log Na by Na plus Nb. Xb is equal to minus Na R log Xa minus Nb R log Xb. Since log X inverse is equal to minus log X, from the rules for logarithm, if we now factor out R from each term, since log X inverse is equal to minus log X, from the rules of logarithm, delta mixture S is equal to minus R Na log Xa plus Nb log Xb. Represent the equation for the entropy change of mixing. This equation is also commonly written with the total number of moles. Delta mixture S is equal to minus Nr Xa log Xa plus Xb log Xb. Delta X mixture S is equal to minus Nr Xa log Xa plus Xb log Xb, where the total number of mole is N is equal to Na plus Nb. Na and Nb are the moles of Nb, and A is total sum of these two moles. Notice that when the two gases will be mixed there, mole fraction will be less than 1, making the term inside the parentheses negatives, and thus the entropy of mixing will always be positive. This observation makes sense because as you add a component to another for a two-component solution, the mole fraction of the other component will decrease, and the log of a number less than 1 is negative. Multiply by the negative in the front of the equations gives a positive quantity. Equation 8 applied to both ideal solution and ideal gases. Thanks.